Learn English. Hello, everybody. Here are the two words we will learn today. Number one, can you say it? A lid. Yeah, this thing. And number two, to get on the bus or to get in the bus? Which one is right? Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. The lid is made of glass. The lid is made of glass. Lid. The thing that we use to cover a pot or a jar. Now we can make a flashcard for lid. You can make a sentence like this. Bob will take the lid off of the pot or the jar. Please make a card like this. Write lid up here in the top left corner, L-I-D. Down here in the bottom left corner, K-I-T, 1. This means kitchen, level 1. And over here in the bottom right corner, the number 28 out of 50. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Lid. Number two, please listen and write this in your notebook. They get on a bus every morning. They get on a bus every morning. They get on a bus every morning. They enter the bus. They board the bus. They go inside the bus. Now we can make a flashcard for get on a bus. Please make a card like this. To get on a bus. Or if we're talking about the bus, then we say the bus. Down here, VID 1. This means verb, idiom, level 1. And over here the number 22 out of 76. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Get on a bus. Get on a bus. Game over. You did very well today. Today we learned this is a jar and a lid. Very good. And what will Bob do tomorrow morning? He will get on the bus. Correct. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. 1 leaf, 2 leaves. Yes, where do leaves grow? On trees. Correct. And number 2, glass and grass. What's the difference? Do you know? Correct. Number 3, 2, retire. This is when you stop working because you're very old, maybe 65 years old. Today is Wednesday, June 18th. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching.